I bought this brush specifically to use on my bottom lash line. Okay, so I take a little bit of the burgundy, and my best tip is to start with a neutral shadow first. So I always take a bronzer or something that's kind of skin-like, and I put it on first, and then whatever I put on top is gonna blend really seamlessly, and it's not going to crease or crumple or break up with your concealer. Okay, so I take that color, go right underneath, and just start to blend. Now my eyes are pretty large, so I can go pretty far down just like this. So I like to go in with about 2 layers. I like to have one that's really close to my lash line, and then I have one that goes down a little bit farther, so it kind of looks like it has a bit more dimension. Then you can take whatever's left, stick it right in the crease. Smoky lash line. It really eliminates the need to put on concealer or to do anything that looks super put together, because this is just going to make your eyes look super mysterious, look really nice and grungy, but in a very sophisticated, put together way, if that makes sense. This is a great way to cover up dark circles, but it's also a really great way to cover up any wrinkles or fine lines. So I highly recommend trying this smoky under eye look. It is so sophisticated. It's so fun. You will love it. It only takes a second. You can make it as dark as you want. I love using something like a burgundy tone like I'm using now, or you can use a gray, black, brown, anything you want. Try it.